Located in the southeastern part of Nigeria, few cities as beautiful and serene as the city of Owerri, and home to an estimated population of over 1.9 million people. Popularly referred to as the Eastern Heartland, Owerri prides itself as the entertainment capital of Nigeria due to its high density of hotels, bars, lounge and nightclubs. Up until 1976, Owerri, the now capital city of Imo State, was just an ordinary Igbo town. In the 1900s, Owerri served as the headquarters of Owerri Division and later Old Owerri Province in the Old Eastern Region alongside Aba, Bende, Okiwe, and Olu. Over the years, the city of Owerri has grown beyond the 5 original communities that make up Owerri town. Owerri city comprises of 3 local governments, namely Owerri Municipal, Owerri North, and Owerri West. Aside from the 3 local government areas that make up the city of Owerri, Owerri has grown and expanded into neighboring Ngokpara local government area and Mbieri axis of Mbitolu local government due to their proximity to the city and as a result of the construction of Simon Bakwe Airport within the local government. Owerri is home to most of the higher institutions in Imo State, like the Avani Koko College of Education, Federal University of Technology, Imo State University, and Federal Polytechnic, Nekede, among others. Some of the major places in Owerri include Alademma, Oji, Ebu, World Bank, Ikenebu, Douglas, Umuguma, Concord Avenue, Naze, MCC, Emekuku, Awaka, Irete, Works Layout, Amakohia, among others. The city of Owerri is charming with amazing scenery, beautiful and breathtaking greenery. While in the city, you can enjoy the best of Owerri by visiting the numerous hangout and relaxation spots, clubs, lounge, and bars within the city. The transformation of Owerri to the city it is today started with Simon Bakwe. After the creation of Imo State from the East Central State in 1976, not much was done to change the face of the new capital city by the previous governors until Simon Bakwe became the governor of the new state. Owerri is home to one of Igbo's most expensive soups, known as Owerri. There is a popular saying that he who does not have money does not eat Owerri. Whenever you are in the city of Owerri, make sure to have a taste of this mouth-watering soup. If you are a nature lover or animal lover in Owerri, make sure to take a trip to Naked Zoo before leaving the city. You can also go on a nature walk around Owerri River or Tamil River, the two major rivers within the city of Owerri. Owerri has one of the best and most vibrant nightlife activities. It is like the city that never sleeps, second to none in Nigeria. This is Owerri, the Vegas of Nigeria and home to the famous bongo music. Welcome to the Eastern Heartland.